Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the beast that's turning heads in 2026, the Chevy Chevelle SS 454. Born from muscle car royalty and reborn with modern power, this machine is a fusion of raw American muscle and cutting-edge technology, built for the bold. At first glance, the 2026 Chevelle SS 454 hits you with a bold presence, a blend of retro heritage and futuristic aggression. The wide front grille, LED halo headlights, and sculpted hood scoop are a respectful nod to its 1970s legend, but make no mistake, this car is made for today's streets and tomorrow's standards. Pop the hood and you're staring into the heart of a monster. A 6.6-liter LS7 V8, supercharged, pumping out a staggering 705 horsepower and 720 pound-feet of torque. That's not just numbers on paper. That's 0 to 60 in just 3.6 seconds, paired with a thunderous exhaust note that commands attention wherever it goes. But performance isn't the only thing this Chevelle brings to the table. Slide inside and you're greeted by a driver-focused cockpit, blending premium leather with carbon fiber accents, a fully digital instrument cluster, and a heads-up display that keeps you locked into the action. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and an immersive 14-speaker Bose audio system come standard, because muscle doesn't mean sacrificing comfort. Handling is sharper than ever, thanks to a magnetic ride suspension system that adapts in real time, Brembo brakes for high-speed confidence, and launch control that makes every green light feel like a drag strip countdown. Whether you're a nostalgic fan of classic muscle or someone chasing modern-day performance, the 2026 Chevy Chevelle SS 454 is more than just a car, it's a statement. Loud, fast, unapologetic. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more rides like this. Let us know in the comments, would you take this over a Hellcat or Mustang GTD? See you in the next one.